suportahan, syempre. Hi, candidate number 2. From Tulog, Akasha, and the support system there is very high, di ba? Unsa mo ang ikasulti sa mga supporters nga dako kaayo sila og support o i-cheer jud ka sukat pagabi, correct? Yan, sukat pagabi. O sino ikasulti nila?
Thank you for coming. I really appreciate you with the support. I hope you enjoy.
Wow! She really appreciates the support. So, Dili, Miss Angel Joy Sawat from Purok Pakisama. So, unsa imo ikasulti sa Purok Pakisama nga naa diri karon? Ang papa nun ay ihimo jud niya nga mo represent sa ilang purok para sa iyang papa. O karon, dili na nato mapugan ang pagkabakba sa tuwang mga kandidata no kay bukaon na og may o dili na nato dugayon pa. Let us proceed to our question and answer person. Starting with candidate number 1, and I am requesting Honorable Jonathan to assist in picking the question. Wow, very confident ato ang candidate number 1. O himuon na gid iyang best John para sa iyang papa. Ready na ka mo answer sa mo question? Men beyond the stage.
Thank you for the wonderful question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In this era of digital transformation, where the world is at our fingertips, beauty pageants stand as a beacon of empowerment, not just on stage, but in the vast landscape of cyberspace. With the rise of digital platform and social media, we have an unparalleled opportunity to amplify to raise the voices and story of women from every corner of globe, including the beautiful city of Canlaon and the entirety of the Philippines. Through technology, we can transcend both borders and break barriers, fostering a global sisterhood where every woman can amplify and inspire each other to reach greater heights. Let us harness the power of technology to not only celebrate beauty, physical beauty, but to showcase intelligence, talent, and compassion. Together, let us feed the power of women. Of every woman can proudly say, I am empowered, I am heard, and I am making a difference. And I thank you.
Yes, a very well said candidate on number 1. So according to her, digital platform people use Good evening, candidate number 2. Okay, kamusta? Ano sa'yo feeling?
I'm a bit nervous, but I'll take it.
Yes, she is a bit nervous, but she is fine. What is beauty, Judlo? So now, pick your question, candidate number 2. Okay, you pick question number 3.
Wala ko kita ka.
Your question is, the Philippines is known for its rich cultural heritage. How would you promote and preserve traditional Filipino values in today's modern society? Again, the Philippines is known for its rich cultural heritage. How would you promote and preserve traditional Filipino values in today's modern society?
Thank you for that question.
Promoting and preserving traditional Filipino values in modern society could involve various strategies. One way is through education, integrating cultural appreciation into school curricula and extracurricular activities, encouraging community events and festivals celebrating Filipino culture and can also foster pride and understanding. Additionally, leveraging digital platforms to share stories, music, and art can also reach a wider audience to inspire younger generations to embrace their heritage. And that would be all. Thank you.
Wow, very well said, candidate of number 2. So, number 3.
Call your mama. Run. Tell your mama. Run. No. Monkey look on the coming. If you want to
Good evening, candidate number 3. Say hi to your fans from Purok Maisan.
Hi everyone, good evening.
Wow, no, you have your supporters over there, from Purok Maisan. So pick your question, candidate number 3. You pick crazy question. Number 8. Body positivity is gaining traction worldwide. How would you encourage individuals to embrace their unique beauty standards and promote a healthy body image? Again, body positivity is gaining traction worldwide. How would you encourage individuals to embrace their unique beauty standards and promote a healthy body image?
Good evening everyone. I believe that each one of us is unique. As humans, we have differences as well as similarities from one another. We can embrace our unique body possibility and also self-acceptance. Instead of criticizing one another, let's choose to celebrate diverse body possibilities and love our own body. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, candidate number 3. So we are all unique. Good evening, candidate number 4. Gonna greet or natagal thank you around?
Thank you to all my supporters and to my handler and to Kylie. Thank you.
Special mention to Kylie. Thank you. So, are you ready for the question?
I'm born ready.
Wow, she is born ready. Stephanie is born ready. Candidate number 4, pick your question. You pick question number 6. Education is often seen as the key to breaking the cycle of poverty. How would you use your platform to support educational initiatives, particularly for underprivileged children? Again, education is often seen as the key to breaking the cycle of poverty. How would you use your platform to support educational initiatives, particularly for underprivileged children?
Thank you for that question. As an advocate of shape the youth of today's generation to partake sustainable development of agriculture and food system. I will use my platform to support educational initiative, particularly for unprivileged children here in our barangay and also in our city. I would raise awareness about the importance of education in breaking the cycle of poverty and its long-term benefits by sharing information
information on the impact of education on individuals and communities. I aim to inspire people to support educational initiatives because I always believe that education is the key to success and poverty is not the hindrance for you to success. Good evening.
Wow, very well said, candidate number 4. As we all know, education is the key to success and each one of us has the right of education. And now let us move to candidate number 5. Good evening, candidate number 5.
Good evening.
Good evening. Na ako'y question. Unsay mong na-feel nga you are one of the most jud nga ganahan, especially sa ato ang corporate award ganina. Unsa imuhang ikasulti sa imuhang mga sponsors?
Happy kay ko and thank you kayo sa inyong pag-support sa PUA. And I will try my best na daugon dyan nato ni.
Oh, daogon jud nato ni the confidence is real. In ana dapat we have the confidence so that we can give our full potential. Sakto? Sakto. Ready na ba ka sa mong question?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, she is ready. Candidate number 5, pick your question, please. You pick question number 4. Gender equality is an ongoing global conversation. How do you envision breaking gender stereotypes and promoting inclusivity as a pageant title holder? Again, gender equality is an ongoing global conversation. How do you envision breaking gender stereotypes and promoting inclusivity as a pageant title holder?
Thank you for that question. You can never disregard the silent battles that each of us is experiencing with any gender possible. Because the member of LGBTQIA+ community, I can never say that it is easy for them to showcase their colorful self because of this standardized community and unrealistic limitations. But I want to elucidate everyone with everything that they have been through. They are proud of who they are today, and that being said, I want to inspire others to do so. Maayong gabi, Barangay Aquino, and happy Fiesta.
Oh, happy Fiesta, candidate number 5. Your advocacy is truly amazing for enriching gender equality here in Aquino. Because me myself believes that embracing and accepting gender equality starts in our barangay. We can promote and we can spread love and awareness all over Caloocan City. And now, we are down to our last candidate number 6.
Call your mama. Run. Tell your mama. Run.
Hello, candidate number 6.
Hello, good evening.
Wow, you look so gorgeous and confident tonight.
Thank you so much.
Unsay mong inspirasyon ani nga pageant tonight?
My inspiration is my family, also my friends. They always support me throughout my dance.
Wow, family and friends. Imo day loved one. Naawala.
Family.
Family. Oh, syempre, loved ones, family. Di pa siya pwedeng kasama siya mabantiyan. No? Sige, ready na ba?
I'm always ready.
Wow, always ready. Palaban ito mga kandidata. No? Pick your question, candidate number 6. You pick question number 2. Mental health awareness is gaining momentum globally. How would you advocate for mental wellness in your role as a beauty queen? Again, mental health awareness is gaining momentum globally. How would you advocate for mental wellness in your role as a beauty queen?
Thank you for that wonderful question, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen, most especially to our board of judges. As a beauty queen, I am an influential figure to the people. I believe in using the platform to raise awareness and to destigmatize mental health and promote self-care. As a youth, peaceful and healthy mind is very important for me. That's why we need to remember that we are human also, and we can only do so much. I want to lead with compassion. Let us foster a safe space where people are allowed to be vulnerable, wherein they are allowed to be a human. Happy Fiesta Barangay Ninoy Aquino! Viva Señor San Isidro!
Wow, very well said, candidate number 6, and that concludes our question and answer portion. It is truly amazing and brilliant to mga